Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make money with this simple app. Okay guys, so this app is what I'm talking about. As you can see, this app is the name is Odd Football. Okay, it's a football app, but you'll be wondering that how come you will make money with this football app. So I will explain everything for you. Actually, we have a varieties of things here. Okay guys, so if you're a lover of football, you can read, you can watch live football, everything here. You can also get your prediction, but you pay money for it here. But that is not where I'm going to. Where I'm going to now is how you can earn money yourself. Okay, first thing, if you open the app like this, you have to open the app with your Gmail or email. Okay guys, or your Facebook. You come down to this area, these three dots. Okay, so when you get to the three dots, you have to click on it like this, and then you will see a place where you earn money. Can you see that? So that is where you will click on it. By the time you click on it like this, just click on it like this, and then as you can see here, every time you open this app, you are entitled to this 10 coins. Okay, this 10 coins. So you just have to click this area, because this area before is sign in. So daily sign in, so you'll be earning 10 coins. Okay, so after that, when you read some articles 5 times, you will receive 5 coins. Okay, you will receive 5 coins. Okay, so aside from that, when you daily hot comment, when you comment, you will also receive money. But where I'm going to now is to invite invitation. When you invite your friends to use this app, you will get 0.79 dollar. So this $0.79 is equivalent to 500 naira. Okay guys, so by the time you invite your friend, just tell them, and then so you come down to these rules. By these rules now, let it pop up. So you just have to come down to here and share it to your Facebook or your Twitters or your WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see here now, you can send it to WhatsApp. As you can see, if I want to send it now to my friend, you can send it like this. Just send it like this. Do you see it now? So anybody that go through it like that, so you will earn your money. So that is how you can earn money aside from getting prediction. If you want to get prediction, you come down to this place now. So all this place, you can see the money here, and then by the time you see everything here, so you can view this and pay money. When you pay money, you are going to give you a correct prediction that you are going to win. This one is no doubt. Okay, so as you can see, just select money. So but my area of concentration is how you yourself can get money with this app. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.